Rastaman.
Yes, sir. What's your name, sir, for the record, sir?
Tiki.
TK, from where, sir?
From Harare.
From Harare. Which part in Harare, sir?
Ridgeview.
Oh, man, I don't even know where Ridgeview is.
Just next to Mbare.
No, sir. And you, sir?
I'm Omar from Pakistan.
You from Pakistan?
Yeah.
There's Taliban's in Pakistan, you know?
I'm one of them, man.
Holy shit. So we should be careful in Zimbabwe, eh?
Yeah, we're getting together there.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
All right, sir. And you, sir?
I'm Tony.
Tony, yes, sir.
From Harare.
From Harare. Which part in Harare, sir?
Brother from another mother.
Next to State House.
State House. Greystone Park? No, what's that?
Town Avenues.
The 7th, right? 7th, the 7th Avenue, whatever. Where there is a Greenwood Park.
No, further up. State House.
Oh, okay. Are we loving the plane flight, sir? Where are we right now, sir?
In Lusaka.
How are you doing, ma'am?
Yeah,
Look.
Why
Holy shit. All right, sir. Back to you, sir.
Back to me.
We are in Lusaka, right?
Yeah.
Going to Zimbabwe. We are on the plane.
Yeah.
And that's good. And you, sir?
Yes, sir. What?
What's up, sir? Where are you going, sir?
To Zimbabwe, obviously.
Zimbabwe. Which part are you in Zimbabwe, sir?
Going to Harare.
Harare is a big city, sir.
So I heard. I've never been before, sir.
You never been to Zimbabwe?
Nope.
So where are you from originally, sir?
Mauritius.
Mauritius. Welcome to Zimbabwe, sir.
Thanks.
I'm the ghetto crown king, sir.
So I heard, you told us.
Yeah, I'm the king of the ghetto. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go take
Minox.
Mad Minox, sir. That's my name, sir. So when you go to Zimbabwe, remember that name, sir. All right, sir.
You want to take our colleague?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing, sir? Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening.
Where are we going, sir, tonight?
We are going to Roddie.
And where are we coming from tonight?
From Outer Hebrides tonight.
What? Outer Hebrides? What is that?
It's an island where they don't have music, eh?
It's an island where they don't have music, sir. You listen to drums and people singing like wild animals, sir. And monkeys dancing and jumping in all over,
They
sir.
have animals in the Outer Hebrides.
Hibbity.
Yippee.
Oh, yes, sir.
Check our other friends. The one who's going.
All right, sir. Oh, sir. I'm done with you, sir. Sir, all right, sir. Where are we going, sir?
We're going just now.
Where are we going? To Zimbabwe?
Where do you think we're going?
I'm going to Zimbabwe myself. I don't know where you're going.
So I'm going with you.
No, you're going.
You going to Harare?
He's going another part of the airplane.
Oh,
You going to Harare?
yes.
Which part in Harare, sir?
We go to Great Harare.
No, Great Harare. There's Great Zimbabwe in
You know
Masvingo.
Great Zimbabwe.
I've never been there.
But you're going there.
No, I live from Mbare, sir.
You live in where?
Mbare.
In
Mbare, the ghetto.
That's very good.
Yes,
Mbare
sir.
is very good.
Yeah, that's where I live, and I'm the
Very
ghetto crown
central.
king.
Very central.
Yes, sir. And you, sir? Look up, sir. Where are you going, sir? And
I'm going home
are you going home to
to Harare. Yeah.
Harare? Which part in Harare, sir?
I go to Nyado, to retirement village
Where is the retirement village? There's lots of them.
near the race course.
Oh, Borodero.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the rich folks, eh?
No.
Give me some of your money, sir.
No.
Give me some of your money, some
No.
US dollars, sir.
You got the recorder, not me.
No, that's just the gangster grill, sir.
Me, this is my gangster.
This is the gangster grill, sir. All right, sir.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, we're going further down to this guy, right? Yes, sir.
Hey, man, what's up?
What's going on, sir?
Nothing, man.
Where you going, sir?
Harare, Alphonso, man.
Room salad.
Yeah, I'm telling
You are a salad.
This is a good.
Where you coming from, sir?
Canada, man.
Holy shit, sir.
Yeah, Hamilton, Canada.
Oh, I'm from Toronto,
I
Canada.
know that boss, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It was nice having you on video, everybody. Everybody, I thank you very much for your time. You've been so kind. We're in Kenya Airways, en route to Zimbabwe, and we hope we have a safe flight to Zimbabwe. Thank you very much. I appreciate your courtesy. And you, ma'am, come on, ma'am. You can say something.
Sorry?
What's your name? What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Ajita.
Aju, where you going, ma'am?
I'm from Burundi.
You're from Burundi?
Yes.
And where you going, ma'am?
I'm going to Zimbabwe.
Which part in Zimbabwe?
I'm following my husband. He's working the brewery in Zimbabwe.
You-
Coca-Cola company.
Brewery in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Oh, there is a Castle Brewery.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna get drunk down there.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
Yes.
there's a lot of drunk people around there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't play with those drunk people, especially from the ghetto where I come from.
Just walk. It's okay.
All right.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Welcome to Zimbabwe.
Thank you.
Where are we right now? Tell the people, where are we?
I think I got to play.
We are in Lusaka
Yeah.
on the plane en route
Yes.
to Zimbabwe. Yes, sir. How are you doing, sir? Where are we going, sir?
I'm doing very well. What's going on?
I'm just bullshitting, just having fun. I mean, on the plane, just keeping the vibes alive.
You're doing a good job.
Yes, sir. Where are we going, sir? Zimbabwe,
You're going to
sir.
Harare.
Yes, sir. Enjoy your flight, sir. And you, sir.
Yeah,
Where are you going, sir?
I've reached
You reach where?
where I'm going.
This is Lusaka, Zambia. Get out of the plane, then.
Taking a short break.
Holy shit, sir.
Yeah.
That's good, sir.
Where are you going?
Mbare, sir, to the ghetto, sir. in
Mbare.
Zimbabwe. Yes, sir.
Oh, welcome on the trip.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. All right,
What are
everybody.
you filming that for?
No, just for bullshit. For my own purpose. You never know. I might make money out of this,
Yeah.
People, you already signed a contract. If I make money out of this, don't sue me.
I want half.
Okay, don't sue me, okay?
You give me half.
All right. Thank you very much.